What are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here.
A dead end.
I guide the birds here.
Really? But you're an angry bird. You were one of them.
I protect the birds from the trees.
I thought this was a friendly bird house. There are lots of birds here, but I'm very afraid of them, you know.
Where is this from? Does this belong to you?
It's not a caterpillar. I just...
Look at birds there.
Where? 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 You mean a bird's nest or another bird house? Where? 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 Ah! Ah! Oh no! My last angry bird. Oh no, I'm out of angry birds now. I knew this was indestructible. I guess I better go to the farmlands and buy an angry horse. Christ. I found this bow in the woods. You want it? What? A bow? I don't need a bow. I am not an archer, and I'm not taking down any tree houses in the forest. A tree house over there is haunted, boy. You better stay away from here. What? How? Wally, really? What kind of bird is so haunted? I can only think of one bird, the phoenix bird. That's not a haunted bird. I thought that was a holy bird.
I understand what you're saying.
You understand?
Now you can respect the birds. Everybody should respect the birds.
No more caterpillar there. Or did I?
No more.